keep telling black women that to raise a child, they say, well, I provided with food, clothing, and shelter. That's not raising a child, that's maintaining one. To raise a child, you need a parental coalition of a man and a woman. We have sons who, by not having a father in the home, they don't know how to respect women. They take on the black female emotionalism. They're doubtful, they're indecisive, they can't make a decision. They don't know what to do about being a man because we can't teach them that. We don't have that knowledge.
Ooh, that's close to home. Hey, let's take a second. You go ahead and speak, because, yeah. What you think about that? What you think about that?
I can see why people don't like her.
I can see.
It's like
she's not popular then. She's not going to be popular now.
She's in such a large percentage of people's kitchen right now.
Yeah.
It's just like the percentage of black people of which the last 3 sentences pertains to.
Yeah.
It's just kind of alarming. Necessary for her to say it, but it's just kind of like, yeah, that's not how you get a following. Obama would never say this.
No, he wouldn't.
And you saw how successful that was.
It was very successful.
8 years strong.
Yeah. Nah, it's crazy, man. I talk about this all the time. That last comment about black men being emotional, I'm saying this as a black man, it's facts. I think we don't recognize it as that in those words because I think black men being emotional sometimes looks different because we present as masculine. Like, you can present as masculine and still be emotional.
Yeah.
When you look at like people literally killing each other over stepping over each other's shoes.
Oh yeah, a nigga moment is
is exactly what she's talking about. If you ever seen the Boondocks, watch a nigga moment. That is black male emotionalism.
Watch closely. You're about to experience a nigga moment. Webster defines the nigga moment as a moment where ignorance overwhelms the mind of an otherwise logical Negro male.
What did you say, nigga?
If they had their own category, nigga moments would be the third leading killer of black men behind pork chops and FEMA.
The thing is, I grew up, single mom. There's so much I had to do to kill that part of me, man. I don't talk about it a lot, but there's nobody there to teach you. The society is teaching you the opposite of that. Like, everywhere I turn, it's like, well, men need to get more in touch with their emotions. Like, nah, nigga, I need to learn to control my emotions. Like, that's not, you're talking about somebody else. My issue is I wasn't taught to control my emotions. I was not taught to have discipline. I was not taught to think rationally, right? Even amongst men, being able to see a situation going awry and think rationally and be able to like correct the situation and add that, it's been so useful. Like, even the guys I keep around me, close friends that I have, my boy Yesh, if I ever got a situation, I will be like, hey bro, this is a situation, I'm hot, am I tripping? And just for somebody to be able to look at the situation and rationally be like, you may be a little bit out of bounds. Like, have you thought about this and blah, blah, blah. That's so useful. Where it's like, if I call a female friend up, she's going to be like, let's kill that nigga right now. You know what I'm saying? She's going to empathize with me. And it's like, that's not what I need. It's like, I need to think rationally, right? Not that you can't feel emotions. I feel emotions for sure. But at some point, you have to learn to put that aside, and that's just something your mom can't teach you.